So here in this problem, we need to find out the value of the given trigonometric expression. Let us begin. So how shall we proceed here? We will be using the formula here. So let's say if we have cosine of the angle 2x. Now this can be expressed as 2 times cosine squared x minus 1. Which means if we want to isolate cosine squared x, so cosine squared x can be expressed as 1 plus cosine of the angle 2x divided by 2. Now as we can see here, each of the terms has a cosine squared function. So what we'll do, we'll use this particular formula and convert it to the form 1 plus cosine 2x over 2. So let's do that. So let's take the first term, cosine squared a. So this is the same as cosine squared x. Only we have to do is replace the value of x with a. We get 1 plus cosine of the angle 2a over 2. Then coming to the second term, we have cosine squared a plus 2 pi over 3. So we'll get 1 plus cosine of the angle 2 times this angle, which is a plus 2 pi over 3, whole divided by 2. Coming to the third term, we have 1 plus cosine of 2 times the angle a minus 2 pi over 3, whole divided by 2. Let's further simplify. So here we have half added to half times cosine of angle 2a plus half added to half times cosine of, now we're going to multiply 2 with a plus 2 pi over 3 to get cosine of 2a plus 4 pi over 3. Then we have half added to half multiplied to cosine of angle 2a minus 4 pi over 3. Okay, so here half is appearing thrice, so we add them to get 3 over 2. Plus we have half cosine of angle 2a. Now what we'll do, we'll take half as the common factor and combine these two terms. So we have half multiplied to cosine of 2a plus 4 pi over 3 added to cosine of the angle 2a minus 4 pi over 3. The reason why we are taking half as the common factor and trying to find out the sum, because we know that cosine of angle a added to cosine of angle b, so that's given by 2 times cosine of angle a plus b over 2 multiplied to cosine of angle a minus b over 2. Now in our case, 2a plus 4 pi over 3 will correspond to a, and 2a minus 4 pi over 3 will correspond to b. So let's use the formula accordingly. So we have the first term 3 over 2. The second term is half multiplied to cosine of 2a plus half. Now when we add these two cosine function, we're going to get the factor 2 here. So 2 will get multiplied to cosine of, we need a plus b over 2. So let's add 2a plus 4 pi over 3 with 2a minus 4 pi over 3. And we're going to divide this result with 2. Then this will get multiplied to cosine of the angle. We have 2a plus 4 pi over 3. And from that, we're going to subtract minus 2a plus 4 pi over 3, whole divided by 2. Such that we get 3 over 2 added to half cosine of angle 2a. Plus, so this 2 and 2 gets factored out. We have cosine of, now 4 pi over 3 and negative 4 pi over 3 cancels out. So we're left with cosine of 4a, so 2a plus 2a, that's 4a, and 4a divided by 2, that's simply going to be 2a. So we have cosine of 2a multiplied to cosine of angle. So here 2a and 2a will get cancelled out. So 4 pi over 3 added to 4 pi over 3 divided by 2 is simply 4 pi over 3. Okay, so let's further simplify. So now we have to find out the value of cosine of 4 pi over 3. Let's write down first. So we have 3 over 2 added to half times cosine of angle 2a plus cosine of angle 2a. So what's the value of cosine? 4 pi over 3. So cosine of 4 pi over 3 is simply cosine of pi plus pi over 3. So pi plus pi over 3 means we have negative cosine of pi over 3. The cosine pi over 3, that's half, so we have negative half. which means that cosine 2a will get multiplied to negative half, and immediately we can say that the second and the third term will get cancelled out, and we are now left with only the first term, which is 3 over 2. So that means the value of the given expression, cosine squared a plus cosine squared a plus 2 pi over 3 plus cosine squared a minus 2 pi over 3, this will be simply equals to 3 over